Hello kids! Today we are trying different shapes. So we have these colors: violet color, pink color, light green color, black color, dark green color, red color, sky blue color, purple color, brown color, and this is dark blue color, and this is yellow color. Now we have some more colors here. This is dark green color, yellow color, red color, dark blue color, and orange color. So don't go anywhere, we are trying these shapes. So first of all, we will use this black marker to trace the outline. Okay. So red color, this is red color. So I'm using this blue color, this one, blue color, dark blue color, and we are drawing a rectangle. This yellow color heart. Color, so coloring the circle, and this is oval shape. What shape? Oval shape. Oval shape. I hope you are getting the idea. Oval shape. Now again coming to the green color. This is dark green color. Triangle. This is a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Again yellow color. This is diamond shape. Yellow color, diamond shape. The star, so blue color. This is blue color star. By the way, the stars are white color and they are shiny. They shine at the night time. Where they go at the daytime, by the way, do you know about this? Where the star go at the daytime? Okay, I will answer in the next class. So this is a square, a rectangle, and heart. This is a heart shape. This is a circle, and you have to do the same practice. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.